Drew, tell me some things that are in nature.
Trees,
And
flowers,
and
birds,
birds.
and butterflies.
Great. Can you think of anything else that's in nature?
Clouds. And woods.
Yeah.
Wolves. And bears.
We will be mentioned.
Soon, honey.
And
Danny, what are some of the things that you see in nature?
Pine cones, flowers, trees, clouds, bushes, birds, bears, leaves, glass, and
No, Drew, turn it off, please.
woods.
Woods. What is nature?
I didn't say nature.
What is it?
Some of that stuff.
But how would you describe it? How would you describe nature?
I would, like I just did,